Hey everyone, it's your girl Nereida the Creator, and today we're going to do some nice little boho cornrows. But yeah, so today I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and I'm going to blow dry it and get started with the process. So just to show you guys the hair that I'm gonna use, some expression hair. I don't need that much hair because I already have a lot of hair. For the boho, we're gonna add the Q Milky Way hair. It's gonna be like a wavy boho. It's not gonna be like too curly, which is fine with me. But this is like a master mix with like synthetic and human hair. The quality feels pretty good, but we're really gonna put it to the test once I wear this hair out for as long as I need to. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the process. See you guys in a bit.
I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you at Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you done put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not that influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossiping messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, drop it. Get more roll around the field. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. Cause you know that's why I want to
drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6, told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the store. I'm like, cool, let him run his move, do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in the pot, let it cook like stew, I grab my Glock. If it do a lot, but it's this you like, no, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope, if y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push to start. That new Porsche is built like a horse, colors like a fork. He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore, now she woke up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck, got in the truck, kissed him on his lip. He cupping up, crouching like a tiger, like Snoop off the wire, the block on fire. So I take a cost, mess with Michael Mike, I'm on his ass. He finna be mad, he gon' beat her ass. But this what happened, I got to the door, I thought I was capping, I was slacking, cause that go to up, yelling now was cracking. I'm like what? I'm like nigga who? I was born to shoot, I got aim, I'm like Johnny Dane, when it cut a chain. So I went in his arm, hit one in his thigh, this no lie, bitches do it.
Bloody waters, trying every day, every day. Feels like I'm running in slow motion, and I'm losing weight. Oh, ooh, so frustrated. Destiny doesn't roll the dice. Watch your back, take me mine. Under attack, spiritual kind.